This is Larry Williams, and it is indeed my pleasure to introduce you to the most current trading software for stock and future traders, TradeShark. This software works for stocks, and futures, and Forex, and I'll be showing you one of my very favorite setup tools in the market today, my Professional Sentiment Index. Let me tell you a little bit about what this index does. When the line is above green, it means there's been a lot of professionals buying the market. In other words, the professionals are quite bullish on this market. We're looking at Google right now. By the same token, when it's very low in here, the professionals are not interested in buying. They've actually been working the sell side of the market based on some formulas I've been working with over the years. How long? Well, since 1966, long time. So I have a lot of data with this particular indicator that is unique and is only available in TradeShark. So you get the idea, right? When the indicator is high, we want to be looking for buy signals because professionals have been buying this stock. When it's low, we want to be looking for sell signals in the marketplace. In other words, this is a setup tool. It's not a timing tool, but it's been a great setup tool. Let me show you some more examples. We're looking at IBM now, quite a different stock than Google, but by now you should understand the basic lesson. When professionals have been buying this market, they're at a high level of their purchases versus their total action in the marketplace. We should expect buy signals in the market to rally. By the same token, when it's very low, they have not been buying the market. I can actually measure their accumulation in the marketplace when they have a lot of their positions on the long side of the market, similar to the commitment to trade report. Well, you can see what typically happens when they get on that side of the market. We most always, not always, of course, nothing is perfect in this business, but we most always do see declines and rallies based on the intensity of the buying done by professionals. Now we're looking at gold. Remember the precipitous decline that we saw in March of 2013? Well, look what the professionals had been doing right prior to the decline. They were on the short side of the market. Then they started buying. The market rallied. Another big decline in the gold market. And sure enough, the professionals have gone back to the sell side of the marketplace. And again, it's not a specific timing tool, but at this point, if we get sell signals from technical short-term systems, we want to take sells up here. We want to take sells here. And we want to be a buyer. In other words, we have a setup tool that's predictive of what the market should be doing in the future. The nice thing about this, try this again, the nice thing about this technique, this indicator, is I've used it throughout the world. I've used it in China and Japan and Germany and Italy and South America, South Africa and America and Canada. It really is how professionals buy. That's what I've been able to crack and figure out their buying pattern in the marketplace. So when we see this at a high level, I want to take trendline breakouts to the upside. The market most likely will rally. And of course, when they've been selling it, most likely will decline. You can see again, this is so repetitive. The same formula that I'm using in this case for the euro currency. So it works for currencies. It works for the E-minis. We'll take a look at the E-minis next. You can see when they're at that buy level, you definitely want to be taking buy signals in the marketplace, right? If one of your problems has been not having perspective in the marketplace, wondering should I be a buyer or a seller, why not be a buyer when the professionals are buying in the marketplace and a seller when the professionals are selling? Finally, we're going to be looking at soybeans. You can see what's gone on here. Nice rally in soybeans in May 2013. Well, look what set it up. The professionals had entered this market on the buy side just as they were short up here, working the short side of the marketplace and long back here before this rally. And the rally we saw last year, November, again, you can see they were in the high area. They were doing a lot of the buying in the marketplace was done by professionals, and lo and behold, the market rallied. So that is my experience of how markets rally. Professionals really do make a difference. Here's the question. Do you want to be working on the side of the professionals or the side of the public? If you want to be working in the flow of what the professionals are doing, I think you're going to find the Professional Sentiment Index invaluable, and you'll see it only in TradeShark.